I'm trying to fix my YouTube account. I've been all day trying to change my name, account name, and upload videos, and it won't let me do it. I don't know if there's a problem with my link to my camera or to my URL or to my phone or to my email account. But the long story short of it is I have had to switch my whole YouTube account around and go back to my original name. Well, this was a video anyways, a test, and as you can see, we have a winter snowstorm in Michigan on April 18th. I'm not too sure this was supposed to happen, but here it is. Already we've got 2 inches of snow. It's gonna probably snow all night. For those that think that we have Poland in Michigan right now, yeah, sure, right, with 2 inches of snow on the ground and building. Well, anyway, thanks for watching this silly video, and just a warning, if you're going to change your account name, think twice about it. It is a real hassle, and it messes with your phone and transferring video and photos from your phone's library to your YouTube account. Hope this is successful. If you see this video, it is. Bye now.